How does Sukuk finance infrastructure projects? Sukuk finance infrastructure projects by offering Sharia-compliant investment tools that are backed by tangible assets. This method avoids interest, aligning with Islamic finance principles. Sukuk representing ownership in real assets or projects, allowing investors to share in both the risks and rewards of infrastructure developments such as roads, power plants, airports, and renewable energy facilities. The process starts with structuring Sukuk to reflected actual ownership or usufruct rights in the underlying infrastructure assets. For instance, in an Ijara leasing Sukuk structure, the issuer sells the asset to Sukuk holders and then leases it back. This generates rental income, which is distributed as periodic payments to investors. This approach ensures that financing is rooted in real economic activity rather than just debt obligations. Issuing Sukuk for infrastructure projects typically involves several stages. First, the project and its assets are identified. Next, the Sukuk is structured to comply with Sharia rules. After that, regulatory approvals are obtained. The Sukuk is then marketed to investors, and the proceeds are managed to fund construction or operation. Transparency and a clear legal framework are essential to attract investors and build confidence in the Sukuk's asset backing. Governments and private sectors often turn to Sukuk to raise funds for large-scale projects through public-private partnerships. These partnerships help distribute risks and encourage private investment. Incentives like tax exemptions or subsidies can lower issuance costs, making Sukuk more appealing compared to traditional financing, especially in developing countries where conventional funding might be limited. Sukuk also supports sustainable development goals by financing green infrastructure projects, such as renewable energy and smart grid installations, through specialized green Sukuk. These instruments attract ethical investors interested in socially responsible investments while promoting economic growth and job creation. In essence, Sukuk finance infrastructure projects by mobilizing capital through Sharia-compliant, asset-backed securities. This method provides secure, transparent, and ethical investment opportunities. It aligns with Islamic finance rules, encourages private sector participation, and supports both economic and sustainable development objectives.